This is the thing that scares me the most about coming out my RV. You don't know what's under it. So, cousin, this is what really scares me. When you come out your RV and you really don't know what's under it. Is somebody hiding or what? But I came out my RV, y'all, and it's two huge dogs under there. I tried to shoo them off and everything. They would not go anywhere. I knew they was under my RV because I kept hearing a lot of noise, bumping up and down and running like they running through pipes and stuff. Now, as y'all can see, he looking at me, I'm looking at him. He don't want to go nowhere. The other one is laid out. Y'all, they was running back and forth at first, so I guess they got tired and wanted to lay down. But I'm not playing with nobody big dogs like this. So, y'all. I called the dog pound. First, I called the office, and the office told me to call the dog pound. So, I did call the dog pound. I called the office first because, as y'all can see, that one do got on a collar. So, I thought maybe somebody, dog had got away loose, and they just didn't know. But y'all, these dogs was big and they did not want to go nowhere. So yeah, I had to call the dog pound on them. So I really made this video to let y'all know to be cautious of your surroundings. And now when I step out, I try to look under my RV sometimes when I step out, because yeah, I don't play with other people's dogs. This dog, they are really big, and as y'all can see, they was not going nowhere. They stayed here for a long time before the dog pound came. And when the dog pound came, they took off. And, as normal, dog pound had to chase them. But I just made this video, y'all, so y'all can be aware of your surroundings. That's under your RV, on side of your RV, it don't matter. Just always be cautious and be aware of your surroundings at all times. Just look, y'all. I don't know, a lot of people tell me just give them water, but I'm not giving them water. I'm not doing none of that. Because, like I said, I'm not fooling with nobody else overgrown dogs. I don't know if these dogs been beat on, been hurt, or what. And I don't know. I'm not playing with them. These dogs are grown. Look at the paws on that dog. This dog head was so big, y'all. I'm talking about, And they weren't moving. They was not scared of me. So, no, ma'am. I'm not doing it. So, again, y'all, just be careful and watch your surroundings, because it could have been worse than this. But, y'all, I don't know what to say. I was scared. Then I'm to I didn't want them to knock over, hit a pipe, do none of that. So, bye, y'all. Make sure y'all watch all my videos. I just wanted to make this one for y'all can be aware of your surroundings.